Write down all the even numbers from 30 to 300. Please don't do that during the exam. You only have 1.5 minutes on average per question. That would take too long. But what you can do, and this problem really tests, is your ability to count ranges by using logic and deduction. So how many times will the digit 6 appear after writing down all the even numbers? And note, we don't want to forget that we're looking at the even numbers only. One approach is to count all the numbers that have 6 in it from 30 to 300. And then subtract. And we've forgotten at 66, there's actually a 6 in the tens place. So there's 60, 61, 62, etc. 10 of them, but we have to subtract the one we already counted, 66. We don't want to double count 66, so there are really 9 of those. So from 30 to 100, there are 7 plus 9, or 16 sixes. How about from 100 to 200? From 100 to 200, there are 10 of the numbers ending in 6. And again, we've got 160, 161, 162. So that will be 9 more again. So just to lay it out so we can see, it's 106, 116, 126, etc., all the way down to 196. And at 166, we know we have 6 in the tens place again, and that's 160, 161, 162, and so on. And we don't want to count or double count the 166, so we have 10 plus, in this case, 9, excluding the 166, and that 10 plus 9 is 19. From 200 to 300, the answer is essentially the same. The hundreds place will not have a 6, so it is effectively the same. It's just 206, 216, all the way down to 296. And again, at 260s, we've got 260, 261, etc. It's the exact same count as from 100 to 200, which helps save us a little time recognizing that, and therefore it must be 10 plus 9 equals 19. So, in total, we have 16 plus 19 plus 19 sixes from 30 to 300. And that total, 16 plus 19, is 35, plus 19 more is 54. But be careful, this is not the answer to the problem. It is an available answer, but that would be incorrect if you chose 54, because we had, in the question, been told to write down only the even numbers. So if we were told only to write down the even numbers in the question, we must subtract the odds. And which ones could be odd from our list? Well, it's certainly not the ones that end in 6, but it was all those 61, 63, 65, 67, and 69. So all the odd numbers where the 6 was in the tens place. And between 30 and 100, there were 5 of those. And between 100 and 300, again, it's just 161, 163, 165, etc. So there are 5 more. And then in the 200s, it was 261, 263, all the way up to 269. There are 5 more. So in total, there are 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 15 we must subtract from our 54 figure, which is the total number of sixes, less 15 that are odd, yields 39 sixes that are even numbers in the range from 30 to 300. So the correct answer is less than 51. 39 is less than 51.